Hi, my name is Kim, and today I want to talk to you about oak trees. Welcome to McHenry County Conservation District's Wonders of the Wild. Behind me is an oak and hickory tree savanna. It's called a savanna as it's a special type of woodland. It's not a forest. The trees are spread more far apart, and that allows a growth of forbs and grasses behind me to survive, such as the Joe Pye weed, the Indian plantain, the goldenrods, the bottlebrush grass. All of these are part of that savanna ecosystem. But the true basis for an oak and hickory savanna is the mighty oak tree. Oak trees have been extremely important to ecosystems in our area, including to people in our area, for hundreds and hundreds of years. The early pioneers used tremendous amounts of oak trees for building, for firewood to keep warm in the winter, for cooking, for washing, and unfortunately, over time, we lost a lot of our oak trees. What we're concerned about now is that you can see oak trees all of a certain age behind me, but you don't see a lot of young oak trees. We're worried that the next generations are not going to be there. Part of the problem are invasive species like buckthorn and honeysuckle that have crowded out the savannas and not allowed the young oaks enough room to grow. Another problem are the sheer number of animals that are eating the acorns, and sometimes these animals can be out of balance, especially without predators. So mice eat acorns, squirrels, chipmunks, a lot of birds eat acorns, the blue jay that you hear, wild turkeys, wood ducks. So there's a tremendous number of animals eating the acorns, and oaks do produce a huge number, but there needs to be some of these acorns sprouting into young oak trees. We're lucky enough to have found a tiny oak tree right here. The Conservation District is actively managing our oak and hickory savannas to hope to raise more of these young oak trees. What that means is we will remove the buckthorn and the honeysuckle and the other invasive species that are preventing the growth of oaks. We will also do prescribed burns. Oak trees in this area have evolved to survive fires and can even benefit from them when it clears the understory. And we have a deer hunting program to make sure that we don't have an overpopulation of deer browsing on the young oaks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to respect the plants and animals in your local conservation areas, and watch for us next time on McHenry County Conservation District's Wonders of the Wild.